Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video, we are going to learn about how to create an e-commerce store, a grocery store using WordPress and WooCommerce. Let's get started. So this is the WordPress dashboard. As you seen my previous video, how to install a theme and how to create a website in just 10 minutes. If you have seen those videos, so this is the WordPress dashboard. Here we have the go to the appearance, themes, then add new theme. So I have already downloaded a theme, the grocery store theme. So I'm uploading. Okay, here is a zip file on the theme. It is installed successfully. Click on activate. Once it activates, so every theme will ask about like install few plugins related to the particular theme. So he is the theme file. I'll begin install all the plugins, the required plugins of the theme. Bulkhead is a good option. So like we can select all the plugins, just click and select the option and apply. When the themes are installed successfully, then we'll activate all the plugins. For activating all the plugins, so here are the changes. You can check down the dashboard. So we got the WooCommerce plugin, the products, payments option, and analytics of the products. So everything, all the details we have got. Then now we will go to the appearance and import the demo file of the theme. So here's the demo file, how our website will look like. Then click on the import demo. This anyhow these plugins be required. WP forms are required. All-in-one SEO is required, and Monster Insights also. Like there is also very good plugin for SEO purposes. So now I'm not importing those plugins. Theme is installed successfully. Yeah, great success. Let's check the website. Yes. Yeah. Mm. It's not for products for things. Gotcha. No need to products. These are the products which are there on the website. Then we will delete all these products and we need to add all products. I will show you a single products for how to add a new product. Mhm. Description. In pricing, $100. The regular price, and you can get just for $100. How many inventories we have, how many products we have on our warehouse. 15 in stock, shipping, other shipping rates, 10 days. So if you want to add any products, so the same product that we can so future use. Say upsell and capsule features are in the product page. We have the specific product where we show next. So This is the product which we are going to sell. So what is upsell? In this product, we also add another product. So add this product as well. We'll list them about those products and we'll ask, for example, they are purchasing tomatoes. They might have also purchase cucumber. They might also purchase onions like that. We will add here that's delicious food. Carrot. This is the upsell. There's a great advantage when you add the upsell for e-commerce business. E-commerce is also any type of e-commerce. And when now check the payments, I think you know how to add a product. Now we will add the payment integrations. Currently we have the PayPal and Amazon Pay. This is the home page where we can edit everything. So this is a slider. The first thing is a slider. These are the banners where we can choose any image from your library, which are also already there in the WordPress, or you can upload. We will select a special offer. Previously, it was showing in dollars. Now I have changed. Select the location. Select the location into India. Now it is showing in rupees. Okay, here are the we set up as a best sellers. So we can also change the best sellers option. Now this is a menu bar. So where people can segregate. So if they click on the fruits or if they click on the butter and eggs, only those type of listing products will display. If they select on the vegetables, only vegetables will display. If they select on the milk or meat, the specific product will display. Okay. This is a great feature to segregate the items because when the customer comes to the website and they'll for grocery websites, they'll there are like thousands of products, right? Milk or meat, the daily necessary items, dairy products, many things will be there. So we need to segregate as much as we can. So on the home page itself, people will drive to the home page and they'll try to search the product, or if they can see on the home page itself, it's better at least in the category. If they want some milk, if we can set up these kind of categories, that will be a great option for the end user. So anyhow, if you are building a website, so keep your end user. So how they are thinking, how you are searching for on other websites. So build a product like that. And what are the USPs up to your website? These things we can change. I think if you can watch my WordPress website, how can we change the things on the Elementor? How can we change how can we do the customization part? You can see that. So I don't want to keep on telling about the Elementor in all the videos. I don't want to discuss more about the Elementor. So it's just a drag and drop. No need to worry and no need to discuss about it. So now the other things we can discuss here. So here are the analytics. So how many orders you have placed, the people are placed, and how much revenue you are generating. So all for all the analytics information. So here we can check. Once you install the WooCommerce, WooCommerce products and analytics, these three will be installed automatically. So you can check your number of sales, how much you are getting, so how many orders you are receiving. You can get all the data information here. So see, also we have another CMS platform. It's called Shopify. The Shopify, the dashboard will be very clear. This analytics dashboard in the Shopify, we get the net profits, how many, and where the traffic is coming from, and what is the rate or customer rate. So their analytics are very clear when you compare with the WooCommerce, but it's very premium. So it's not that it's very like here we are in WooCommerce also we have the paid options, but with if you are a small, very small business, you can run with the free trials, free options, everything. But if you want to start with the Shopify, you need to like the premium monthly premium you should pay like 7,000. The plan starts at 7,000. I'll make one complete video how to create a commerce website in Shopify. So a lot of videos are going to come. Please do subscribe and try to stay updated with the channel. And you can change the headers, footers, everything. Okay. You can also change the mega menus. Mega menus are like when the people who are about this. So this is this is the mega menu. Like, here we can they can check the photos, right? That is called mega menu. Where we can in the menus only we can show the offers, we can show the if they click on something, it will hover the same category picture like that. You can add the pictures in the mega menu. And this is the revolution strider. If it is hitting with a theme, it's very good, or else you need to pay. There is no free option in the revolution slider. You know, this is a premium plugin, so we can add the image and text everything in the slider. So yeah, this about see there is nothing much about the like learn WooCommerce. When you have the good knowledge on the WordPress, there is nothing much to learn about the WooCommerce. Just adding the products, adding payment gateways, that's and shipping gateways. That's it. There is now much in the designing part, everything is same. Only the integration part, like payment gateways, the analytics, where you can check, and the products. Adding the products is just a different thing. It's very easy thing, but not just WordPress. It has some extensions. That's it. Yeah, if you want like a full in detail video about the WooCommerce, let me know in the comments so I can make each and every. I can add each and every product and we can customize a full website. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much for this video. Like your motivation makes me to like create more videos. Please do subscribe, like, and comment.